So me and Dan were driving around. We're going to Menards to get some crap. And we came across this garage sale, and for some reason, I don't know if it's decorations or not, but there are like 30 lawnmowers lined up at the end of the yard. So, and actually, they got a lot of shit. Take a look here. Look at this. They got, if I can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One's leaving right now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 lawnmowers. Who the hell sells 50? Who the hell has 15 lawnmowers?
Someone with the lawnmower fetish?
Right. Who in the hell in America has 15 lawnmowers? I'm confused. Well, you're stupid for having 15 lawnmowers.